Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure the essentials are ready. Headset charged, firmware current, and your gym VR profile loaded so the system recognizes you. Next, enable the bot's permissions, microphone for voice coaching, tracking for movement feedback, and privacy consent so data stays local. Once done, open the class menu and pick the session type: warm-up, cardio, strength, or instructor-led. This choice configures the bot's coaching style and intensity, so start with what matches your class plan. Now calibrate the system so the bot can accurately evaluate you. Follow the quick body scan, set height, reach, dominant hand, and mark your play area boundaries for safety. Then set intensity and turn on adaptive coaching so the bot adjusts cues based on your performance. Choose real-time corrections to receive immediate form prompts. Make sure to link any gym equipment or motion controllers so reps and resistance register correctly, allowing the bot to count sets and suggest micro-adjustments during. Start the session and move with the bot's voice cues while glancing at the HUD for heart rate, reps, and form metrics. Trust short, actionable corrections rather than constant interruption. Monitor fatigue flags and let the bot recommend rests or scale options when form degrades. This keeps you safe and keeps class flow smooth. If tracking drops or cues lag, pause, recenter your headset, rerun the quick calibration, and confirm equipment links. That single recalibration usually resolves 90% of tracking issues you'll encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.